Hello and welcome to Lunchtime Politics on Channels Television. I'm Millicent Walker. On the news this hour, the governor-elect of Adamawa State, Amadou Umar Fintiri, reacts to victory, promises a safer and better state for residents. Court of Appeal affirms the victory of Governor Kayode Fayemi of Ekiti State at the July 14, 2018 governorship election. And Nigeria's Vice President reaffirms the federal government's commitment to next-level promise for the progress of the country. Welcome everyone to the program. We begin today with the trial of the embattled former Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Walter Onoge, over allegations of non-declaration of assets. As his trial continues today in Abuja, our correspondent reports that his lawyers have been arguing on the no-case submission before the Code of Conduct Tribunal. Now, Chief Awomolo, speaking on his no-case submission, argues that there was no investigation and that it is a violation of criminal procedures. He also said that the Code of Conduct Bureau did not comply with the law describing the first exhibit as mere hearsay, which is inadmissible. He further observed that the petitioner was not interviewed, which the law provides upon receipt of the petition, arguing and rather urging the tribunal not to take action based on illegal documents. Now, prosecution will also have a chance to reply, after which it is expected the chairman of the Conduct Tribunal will rule on the no-case application before it. Mr. Onoge was arraigned at the Code of Conduct Tribunal following a six-count charge against him before the CCB in January. The Code of Conduct was accused Mr. Onoge of failing to declare his assets from June 2005 after he became a justice of the Supreme Court till December 2016, 2 months after the federal government raided the homes of several judges, including those of the Supreme Court in October that year. According to the charge, Mr. Onoge was also accused of false declaration of assets following his failure to include some domiciliary accounts managed by a bank. Elsewhere, Governor-elect of Adamawa State, Governor Amadou Fintiri, has been reacting to his victory after the supplementary election exercise, which held on the 28th of March 2019. The Adamawa State Governor-elect made an acceptance speech in an exclusive interview with Channels Television, where he dedicated his victory to the entire people of the state. He also promised to make the state a safe haven for investment and for every legal occupant in the state.
God has crowned it with the success that we have witnessed today, and I dedicate that to the good people of this state who has believed in me, who has gone around with me in the state, ensuring that they also endure and vote throughout this election, and particularly today for the supplementary election. And we have seen their effort, and it has been declared. There is no winner, there is no vanquish in this election. The victory belongs to the good people of this state, and whoever is the leader, I think the state is first, not for himself. So whatever has happened is God that gives power and it's God that takes.
Staying with Adamawa State now, Justice Abdulaziz Yari of Yola High Court has dismissed the suit filed by the governorship candidate of the Movement for the Restoration of Defense of Democracy, MRDD, Mr. Eric Damon, seeking the cancellation of the election for lack of proof. Now, in a 1-hour-long judgment, Justice Abdulaziz held that Mr. Eric had failed to show his party's logo was omitted from the Adamawa governorship election ballot papers. Counsel to the MRDD party and its candidate, while speaking to our correspondent, Pius Angbo in Yola, says the options available to his clients include approaching the governorship election petition tribunal, or both lawyers to the INEC, Independent National Electoral Commission, and the All Progressives Congress spoke to him on the matter. Take a listen.
Welcome to Adamawa State High Court here in Yola, Adamawa State Capital, where the court has just risen, giving judgment in the suit filed by one of the political parties which was logo was allegedly omitted from the ballot before the conduct of the governorship election on March 9. I am being joined by the counsel to INEC in the state to talk to us about what has happened in the court today. Good morning.
Good morning.
What exactly was the judgment of the court with regards to the suit filed against the commission?
In a nutshell, the court dismissed the suit filed by the plaintiffs in this case on the basis that the plaintiff failed to prove the allegations as contained in his originating summons. One, the documents which the plaintiff sought to rely on are public documents and they are not certified. And the only type of secondary evidence admissible in any case, whether by originating summons, is only a certified true copy of the document. In this case, the documents are not certified.
Okay. Thank you very much. The court has just dismissed the case. INEC lawyer has said that to us. I have joining me again to take this angle from the council to the All Progressive Congress in Adamawa State. Good morning.
Yes, you're welcome.
What is your reaction as a party to the decision of the court this morning dismissing the case vis-a-vis the declared result in favor of the PDP governorship candidate?
That judgment was indeed very erudite, and it was a judgment of the court given in respect of a suit that was filed by the Movement for the Defense and Restoration of Democracy, MRDD, against the INEC, which eventually about 4 other defendants made application for a joinder, which the court granted them. It has been a very thorough hearing that has lasted for more than a week. And a lot of submissions were made, affidavit and counter affidavits, rulings upon rulings. At the end of the day today, court actually, in a judgment, dismissed the originating summons.
Thank you very much. Well, I have also another lawyer for the MRDD candidates that went to court to seek interpretation of the court on the matter. I understand the court has just dismissed your suit this morning at the High Court here. What exactly is your reaction to this?
Well, we must thank the court for doing its duty. It reviewed the evidence before it and arrived at a decision that some of our documents were probably did not go through proper process. That doesn't mean that the rights of the party has been completely eroded. There is yet another opportunity to try a second time, and we shall discuss with our clients. We shall place that opportunity before them, and we await to hear their decisions about it.
Okay. Thank you very much. It is clear to us that the suit has been dismissed in its entirety. It does not have any consequential effect on the declaration of the governorship election yesterday by INEC, which returned Ahmadu Fintiri as governor-elect for Adamawa State. What is left for the parties this time now is to head to the Election Petition Tribunal to seek redress whether or not they have valid ground for adjudication and justice on this matter. From the Adamawa State High Court in Yola, Pius Angbo reporting for Channels Television News.
Main things, Pius there.